How to use two accounts in your WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can use two accounts in your WhatsApp. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your WhatsApp and you have to go in your settings. Now basically in the Android you have the option to add the another account. Like you just have to go in your account settings and you have the option to add the account, but in the iPhone there is currently no option to add your another account. So for the Android you just have to go in your account and you are able to add the another account. Now in the iPhone what you have to do is simply go in your app store and here you have to search for your WhatsApp business. Now you just have to click on it and you have to install your WhatsApp business. And after installing this application on your device, you have to log in and you have to add your preferred phone number that you want to add. And after adding your phone number, you are able to use the two accounts in your separate WhatsApp. So in the Android you have the option, but in the iPhone you have no option. So this is how you can use the two accounts in your WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.